Hola, hello. Welcome back to Color and Canvas. Today I am going to be doing a swipe. You can see I've prepared my canvas a little differently and I have it on a turntable. I've just taped it with some loops of painter's tape right onto the turntable there. So there it is, it's ready to go. And I've taken my, what is this? My Indart paint that I buy here in Mexico. This is black, and I painted it around the edges, straight out of the tube with a little paintbrush. Because when I'm swiping, sometimes the swipe sheet goes over the edge and it actually takes all the paint with it. So at least there'll be some black left behind, because I don't have any black canvases down here. So I think this is going to turn out really, really good. At least I hope it's going to turn out really, really good. For our base coat, I'm using my Indart black again that I've mixed with my pouring medium. And the pouring medium, I've gone back to my original recipe because I like it best. 50% Floetrol, 30% Gluol, and 20% water. Except I don't have Gluol here, I just have school glue. So that's what's actually in here, not Gluol. But if you can get Gluol, I recommend it. And so I'm just going to put our base coat down and I'll describe the other colors. But all of these paints, all of the acrylic paints that I'm going to be using in this pour, they are all mixed with that same pouring medium. So I'm going to put a ring of various colors and then swipe out from the middle. And I have what I call my Amsterdam swipe. This is Amsterdam Oxide Black, and that is mixed with a tiny bit of Floetrol and some water. Ooh, there's not very much. I'm going to have to get some more of that. Hang on, I'm going to go mix a little bit more. All right, so here I have my Amsterdam swipe, as I call it. The Oxide Black mixed with a tiny bit of Floetrol and some water. It's roughly 1 part paint, 1 part Floetrol, and then 1 to 2 parts water. And I say 1 to 2 because, frankly, the thickness of the Floetrol tends to vary from bottle to bottle. At least that's been my experience. So you need the consistency to be there. It's kind of watery. You can see it does not leave any trace at all. And that's the consistency that I want for that swipe. Now for the fun part. Let's put some of these colors down. And I'm going to do them in sections, but I think first I will put some white. We'll put a ring of white. That's just going to give us a guideline for some of our colors. And I'm literally just going to put blobs of colors down. So here's the part that I did think of, actually. I'm going to pour the black into the center. So all of that swipe color, that Amsterdam black, is there. Now I'm going to add 24 karat gold. This is my DecoArt 24 karat gold extreme sheen. I'm going to add that in a circle right here. So that is going to swipe through all of those colors. That was the thought. Let's see how it executes. Here we go. Let me grab some paper towels. And let's see what we can do with this. I'll start with the corner first. I'm not sure which swipe sheet. I think I will use this one. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Swiping out. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. So far, so good. I'm debating how I want to continue because now I've just had a different thought in my mind about this, but I think we will continue with the way that it is. I like it so far. I can always add more of the black paint in the middle as it gets used up. So now it becomes a question of how do you finish the middle? Do you just leave it? I think it needs a little something, so I may try and pull some of this paint into the middle. Let's see. Let's try it and find out, okay? I'm going to put some of this yellow gold in the middle. And I'm going to pull outward from the yellow gold. I need to pick up some of that paint. Thinking just with a little bit of paper towel. I'm just going to blot the middle. I know it doesn't sound right, but that's what I'm going to do. Some of that excess paint out of there. So much better. And now I know exactly what I'm going to do. Balloon. We are going to dip this balloon into this paint right here and dip right into the middle. I think that's better. I like that a lot better. than I did a minute ago. Okay, now we're gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone just like that. Now I'm happy with it. Okay, good. Much better. You know, stopping before you're satisfied, that will drive you crazy. I think I would rather keep working on a painting, either to the point that you've wrecked it, you don't like it anymore, or that you're happy with it. But stopping when it's, you know, kind of part way done, that doesn't work for me. You guys have seen me work on stuff like forever. I think you got to finish it for whatever that means for you. You're the artist, you get to finish it. I love it this way. This is finished for me now. All right. So balloon to the rescue. Who knew? I wish I knew this half an hour ago. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. Go paint something beautiful. Have some fun. Try different things. Balloons, swipes. You never know what you're going to come up with. Bye-bye.